Hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Judy and welcome to my channel. So today is June 1 at energy ako no? Aga-aga. Pero dapat simulan nating ma-energy habang maaga. Kasi panahon ito na nagsasabi sa atin na we're almost half of 2020 already. So, saan ka na ba nakapunta? Natuloy ba ang mga plano mo? O ikaw naka-blue? Okay lang. Wag kang umiyak. Okay lang, naiintindihan kita. Parehas lang tayo nararamdaman. Pang sira ka usap sarili. Huwag niyang pansinin. Anyway, so it's June 1 today and I'm so excited because I will be introducing a new segment on my channel and this is the first episode of that, which is Judy Yes, you are right. Today we're going to do a reaction video, as you can see below on the title, on Twice Comeback More and More music video later. Yay! Who's excited? You. Who's excited? Me. Who's excited? Us. So let's go Twice. I'm so excited to do this because Twice is one of my favorite girl group in Korea. Hindi ko naman sasabihin na sobrang K-pop lover ako, pero I appreciate K-pop and Twice is one of them. They will be airing it, sa mga nakikita ko, is 6 p.m. KST. So, upon my research, it is 5 p.m. on our time here in the Philippines. So, I'm going to wait for that. Pero bago yan, syempre, work muna, no? Anyways, so, let's see mamaya kung anong mangyayari. And, yeah, I'm so excited. Woo! So, bye-bye, guys. See you later. And, let's react to Twice. Woo! Bye! Hello everyone, so welcome back again. So it's currently 5:01 p.m. now in the Philippines and we're waiting for the more and more music video. So hanggang ngayon wala pa. So I'm currently watching yung mga live, what do you call this? Live count and more countdown dito sa YouTube. Tapos papansin ko dami nang nagagalit. Oh. Seriously, dami nang nagagalit. Oh my god, there's my earphone. So, as of now, wala pa din yung video. Pero feeling ko, it's currently playing in Korea. So, baka mamaya, no? Ano ba yun? I'm so excited. Ah! So, I would just like to let you know bakit ko nagustuhan yung Twice. So, simple lang. Because, nung una ko narinig yung Heartshaker nilang kanta, I love it so much already. Parang ang lungkot ko yung araw na ito sa pakinggan ko yung Heartshaker and then na-shake talaga yung puso ko. Saya niya pakinggan and it gives you positivity and energy as well. So after noon, sinearch ko na sila lahat. Tapos nung na-search ko silang lahat, tapos nagustuhan ko lahat ng kanta nila, kasi ko pa sila kilala lahat. Buti na lang mayroon akong mga friends na sinasabi sa akin yung mga kinikwiz nila ako everyday. Tapos nalaman ko na kung sino sila. Nag-try ako manood nung MB nila, nung 16, kung paano sila nabuo. And I like it so much as well. So, so in love with Twice now. Every time they have a new music video, I like it. So, yung more and more, napapansin ko, medyo medyo parang more on feel special vibe, na parang hindi siya pa-cute yung usual ng Twice. Diba? Cute kasi talaga sila. Tapos pag napapansin mo sila, love na love mo talaga sila. So dito, feeling ko ganun yung mangyayari. And I'm so excited. Wala pa ang tagal. Okay. Wait lang, excited na talaga ako. Excited. It's here! Should I open it? It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 1 second. Should I? Okay, let's go. Let's start this. Oh my god. Ito na. Okay, let's start. 4 minutes and 1 second is Twice More and More MB, released by JYP Official. Let's go. We're going to play it. Oh my god. I saw this on the trailer. I swear. They look like a fairy in the forest. I knew this because I watched it on the teaser and I'm so excited already. So basically my bias here is Momo and Tio and Nayeon. I love them all. They're all pretty and beautiful. Okay, let's start. This is it. Oh, what's the meaning of the apple and the snake sound? I want to know the lyrics already so that I will understand ito. So, guys, tapos na. Ayun na yun. Okay. Alam niyo, akala ko para siyang feel special vibes, yung medyo matured look. Well, ito, parang ganon na hindi. Alam mo yun, parang andun pa din yung energy and yung happiness pag nakikinig ka whenever you hear a Twice song. So, I still hear more and more. I love it. Ganda. So, kumusta naman yung pag-react ako? Hindi ko pa ulitin. So, ano yun? Ano yung Apple Besh? Is it really Snow White? No, it's not. Pero I'm not really sure. So, let's wait for the lyrics. Malalaman natin kung anong ibig sabihin. So, yun guys. So, this MV is so good. The dancers, Twice, always do good music video. Pag kumanta sila, grabe. So, parang, una, bias ko si Momo, pero parang lahat na sila. Hindi, pero ang daming center ni Momo ngayon. Si Dayon din. Grabe no, na-emphasize yung pagsayaw niya dito. And then si Chaeyoung, I love her hair. Chaeyoung's hair is so pretty. And then Jihyo is so seductive as well as Jonghyun. They are so seductive. Why are you doing that? Grabe. I want to watch it again. And it's so good. I love it. Okay, so if you like this video, I would like to create another kind of this reaction video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And I know you want more of Twice song. Me too, I want more and more because I deserve it. Charot. Yan. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and push that bell para laging updated sa aking mga bagong upload. So bye bye. Twice imnida.